Hello everyone, here we have our Excalibur World Eater made by Abstract Voxel and I. And this is a kind of a different type of quarry than what you'd usually see on Bedrock, as it is a variable timing quarry, which you'll see very soon means that by changing the fuse time of the TNT falling, we'll change the height of where the TNT blows up, so the TNT will fall and explode at different heights. That's why we don't need any block grid or anything like that. And because of the way we use trapdoors to align the TNT over here, we don't need any water blast shield. We simply just pull the blocks out. And you can see it also creates a smooth wall on both sides, with this side having some block pulling and just natural, just perfectly aligned TNT. And down here we have the collection and the pullers. And these two trap chests change the mode. Opening this one will launch it once, and opening this one will cause it to cycle. And decided to create this video because this is our older version. We spent about a week and a half on this one, and we have a newer version which I'll be showing after this that has a lot of improvements. So I'll set this off, and you'll see the block pullers activate. And these also push the blocks forward to create blast shield against any water, as well as on the sides to prevent water from flowing. And what's special about this is you can see there is no trench on either side. You will need a trench on the bottom. You can watch as the pullers go up. It will bring the blocks out that are unable to be pushed forward. So just like a traditional quarry there. You'll see this ancient debris will get pulled, and this will start the entire cycle. This tower here is called the variable timer. That's what controls the fuse time of the TNT. And the first thing that'll happen is these flying machines will come out. These will go up to one block away from the wall to stop the TNT. And you'll see the trapdoor come along. The TNT gets dispensed, and they'll fall down and blow up the blocks. And you may notice that we alternate every other set, and this is to prevent the TNT from blowing up the items that are still falling, so that greatly increases efficiency. And you can see no blocks are missed, and it's very fast, so we do sets of 2. The TNT dispensed at the same time won't destroy those blocks, so there's no loss of efficiency there. And once this cycle is done, it will finish, track the flying machines, and then it will send the signal up for the next cycle, and you can see it's already started. And you can stack probably up to 3 of these for full world height. Technically forever if you really want to, but there's no point. And then once everything is clear, and the drops are collected down here. It's more of a temporary water stream setup for testing, but they'll come down here. Now the top puller should be coming back down. Very tight timings on everything. And these are all AND gates, also down here. And what they do is if any flying machine gets stuck for some reason, such as obsidian that got generated, it will stop it from blowing itself up. So you'll see that once all these come back down, this signal will be sent through. But there are some issues. So since it is trenchless, we cannot have any blocks here. But because of the way the TNT is aligned, we had some unreliability with blowing up these blocks the way we wanted to. And ideally, we'd only have the quarry go to this block. But because of the way we wired this, there was some slime here. And there's just a big chance that with certain liquid setups that this would break if you did it in a real terrain setup. And also we had some better concepts for these flying machines that come out. Since these current ones use snowballs to bring the machines back, which just uh, isn't as nice. So the second version does fix everything. You'll see the AND gate activate once all machines are down. And now the cycle can be done again, or if you had it on full auto, it would go back up again over and over. Over here, this is our new version, and there are some key differences. The one, it is a block thinner on this side, so we don't actually have to blow up. So previously, in the previous Quarry, we'd have to blow up blocks in this column, but now we only have to blow up to here, which is very easy to do because the TNT is right here. That makes our machine a lot more reliable. It should be able to handle any liquids. And then Abstract came with a lot better design for the machines that come out here. No snowballs, and it's also a lot shorter, which means we can blow up another set of TNT higher up, and thus increasing the efficiency. So we can activate this. These new flyers come out here, same distance, and the TNT falls down. So pretty much the rest of the system will be very similar, but we have a new core system. And the cycle is also faster and cleaner now. You can see the TNT is getting dispensed at a higher rate, so there's less downtime. It also moves forward in a different way. We developed these new wires that can be pushed. So you'll see once this comes down up here in the next cycle, you'll see everything inch forward and everything retracts. And it's ready to go just again. But yeah, I decided to make this video because I felt like this older version deserved one before we move on to the new version. But that's pretty much it. And thank you to Abstract Voxel, who did most of the hard design work on this, and none of it would be possible without them. So that's pretty much it. See you next time.